Now, good morning everyone. Today we'll learn how to estimate test-retest reliability. We know what is reliability. Reliability is the consistency of the any measuring instrument. When quantification of human behavior, that is measuring instrument to observe human behavior. And two important aspects of the measuring instrument are validity and reliability. What is reliability? Reliability synonyms are dependability, stability, consistency, accuracy. Three approaches for defining reliability are stability approach. What is stability approach? If we measure the same set of objects again and again with the same or comparable measuring instrument, will we get the same similar result? Means if one questionnaire schedule, if you will develop and always measure the same respondent and it will give the same result or almost same result, then it is called the stability over time or stability approach. Then second is the accuracy approach. Are the measures obtained from the measuring instrument are true measures of property of measures, and solving the theoretical or practical problem approach also is there. That is how much error of measurement there is in the measuring instrument. So three approaches are there. So finally, we can define the reliability, the accuracy or precision of measuring instrument. So some definition are there in reliability, but we will not go longer. Then we will come to the estimate of reliability. Reliability are, we will measure the 5 types of reliability. One is test, retest reliability, alternative form of reliability, three-halves method of reliability, inter-rater reliability, and internal consistency reliability. There are three main concerns in reliability testing. One is equivalence, stability over time, and internal consistency. We can, in that flowchart, we can also understand what is reliability. The three aspects are there: stability over time, equivalence, internal consistency. Where the stability over time, there is method is test-retest method, and equivalence the alternative forms method, and another internal consistency. Based on these three types of reliability test methods are there. One is split-half method, inter-rater method, and Cronbach alpha. In my video, Cronbach alpha already we discussed. So today we will discuss in this video the test-retest method. So test-retest method, it is based on the stability over time. It refers temporal stability of test from one measurement session to another. And despite its appeal, test-retest reliability technique has several limitations. That is memory effect. If you are going to the individual in different time, that sometimes they can memorize. If it is short time, then they can remember it, or if it is long time, they will give the different answer. So this is one type of the disadvantage of the test-retest reliability. And another is maturation effect. What happens when it happens when interval, that interval between the two tests is too long to difference. So it matures. So sometimes it will give the wrong result. But over this, that it is very cheap and very less time is required. So test-retest reliability sometimes in social science or agricultural science we are using. How we will develop that? I am giving one example. One scenario is there that you have a new test design to measure academic stress and of the students. You administer the test to group of 5 students. Here 5 students are there. That is A, B, C, D, E, and 2 different points in time. First time we are getting the result of 85, 70, 90, 75, 80, that respectively from the student result. And another time after 15 days, again we are conduct one same instrument we are using, and it will give the result that 88, 72, 92 and 78, 81. Then how we will do this two time result? If we correlate it, then it will give the result of the coefficient of the correlation coefficient, that is the reliability coefficient. So first step, administer the test to different time and compute the correlation. You know the correlation formula is that n summation xy minus summation x into summation y by root over n into summation x square minus summation x square and into n into summation y square minus summation y square. Here the x means that the time one result and another is x y means the time two result. Okay. Then here x is course of time 1 and y is course of time 2. N is the number of the students. So we can see that summation x means all sum over 85, 70, 90, 75 and 80. It will give the result of 400. And another time 2, it will give the summation y equal to 411. And summation xy means individual we are multiply it. Like 85 into 88 means time 185 and 88 like that we are multiplying, and then we will give the total like that. Also summation x square also, that we will take individual that x square means 85 square, 70 square, 90 square like that in time 1, and also in case of y that 88 square, 72 square, 92 square like that. And when we calculate the R, this has been given the result almost 0.993. Means if correlation coefficient almost R is 0.993, means it is near to the 1. Means indicates the very high test retest reliability, and it suggesting that test produces whatever questionnaire you made or questions made, it is consistent result over time. So this is all about the test retest method. Thank you.